mosquetero, ya se levantó. Vamos a ir a buscar el otro. Alan José Conbellas, por favor, solicitado a la oficina de Santiago. La PTJ lo está esperando. Las 9:30. Pero tú estás muerto, no llevas trabajando 3 días seguidos. Now I'm going to my first bus. So I got a cart. The Oyster cart right here. Supposedly it should have enough money to recharge it. I mean to pay for one trip. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to come back and then I will have to recharge it. But let's hope for the best. It's funny how people like look down, like they don't want to be in the video, like if they were somebody, or like, you know, like, oh my god, I don't want to be in your video. It's like, what the hell is wrong with you? You know, like why you gotta hide your identity like that? It's kind of funny to me. But yeah. Alright guys, I was walking the wrong way. You wish me luck. Crocky mate. I keep saying stuff in fucking Australian like if that shit was English, which is not. I'm in London, so I gotta fix that. Look at the way the houses look. It's not that easy. And it's a little long. Like, you gotta walk a little more. You know? In Paris, everything was like right there. It's easy, you know, you had to walk a couple steps and then boom, you were here or you were there. In every corner there was an underground. So it was easier. But this one, like, look, just the street for the very first bus. I've been walking all the way from over there to the right, and then down the street is Alan's house. And now I gotta walk all the way down there to the right, and then to the left will be my bus, where then I have to catch that bus and go to the mall. It's a little bit easier in Paris, but hey, I'm not complaining, except for my shoulder that's been bothering me and I don't even know why. I'm gonna have to stretch a little bit. I've been doing a lot of like weight on myself, like been carrying the suitcase, the bags, my shoulder, you know, the laptop and all that stuff, and it's been quite heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna have to stretch a little bit to calm the muscle down. I made it just in time. Oh. Let's hope for the best. Here we go, here we go. Hello.
Say my wheelchair.
You worked? It worked. I'm gonna go upstairs now. Oh shit, it's full too. But nobody gives a fuck, does it? It's right there. 97 Stratford City. Alright. So I don't know if you guys can see. over there it says Westfield Mall. I used to work in a Westfield Mall. I have no idea why it's the one in London, but that's kind of weird. I don't know how big the company is. The Westfield Mall that I used to go to was shit. Nobody would go there, so I would never expect it to be a big company, like a good company. But yeah, what do I know? So Westfield Mall right there. So we're 2 stops away from Alan's job. Me and my friend. So let's hope for the best. This is where we're going. We gotta walk, bus, walk. We got 2 stops left. And that's it. Here's the one. Is finding them. It could be this way, but I have no idea. So we're just gonna go around. I'll look for it. Excuse me, where's the apple? Yeah. Apple. Upstairs. Thank you. The guy said 3rd floor. Got the apple right there. Hope for the best. I expect the worst. Let's look at Island in natural habitat. Ya vamos a ver qué coño es eso después. Nos vamos para West Ham United. Sí, yo creo que sí. Porque es grande la mierda. ¿Lo buscas? Ahí está.